It is a ethics-based question, and I would say a very tricky too. You cannot just hire the resource based on your, client recommendation and you want to secure your payments. Let's see how many of you answered it ethically. Option A says hire the resource right away. I think this is not the right thing to do. Option number B says refuse to hire the resource. I think this is also not wise. If somebody is recommending and they have some previous good experiences, you can look into it. Option number C says conduct interview to see if he qualifies. I would say you can do it, but option D is the more preferred one. Option number D says contact global HR for guidance. Although question clearly says that they don't have any specific guidelines, but you should have some information in written so that you can manage it clearly. So the right answer for this important question is option number D, contact global HR for guidance. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.